Hi, this is Mike.
And Matt.
We're the creators of GoConvey, and we're going to show you how to get started.
So we're going to do a go-get -t github.com/smartystreets/GoConvey. We're going to pull in the latest. That installs the GoConvey server to our go path /bin. We're going to run that and then open localhost 8080 in our browser. And here we've run GoConvey from the Martini package. So we see the Martini tests here, they're passing. Now we're going to change our path to a demo project that we've set up. And you'll see that it's empty and there's currently no tests. So we're going to write some here in the GoConvey composer. Here we just write our program story and it subs out test code for us. We're going to copy this into our editor, into our test file, and save that. And we'll start writing our tests.
So this function, fizzbuzz, that we're going to write, when numbers not divisible by 3 or 5 are received, it should return the number that it received in string form. So fizzbuzz1 should equal the string 1. When we save this, GoConvey automatically runs the tests and reports a build failure because we have not yet created the fizzbuzz function that will do the work for us. So if we open up a separate file, fizzbuzz.go, define the function that receives an integer, returns a string, and just return foo for now. This will fail, but that's better than a build failure. Notice we expect one, the actual was foo. So let's make it pass by using the string convert function for converting integers to ASCII, and see that the test passes. Let's enable some notifications so we don't have to keep switching windows. If we add a few more test functions, or test cases, fizzbuzz of 2 should equal 2, and 4 should equal 4. These should pass out of the gate with no changes to the code. The next category of tests, for multiples of 3, it should return fizz. So fizzbuzz3 should equal fizz. And we see that that fails because we're simply using the string convert function. Let's add an if statement before that. If number mod 3 equal to 0, return fizz. We can add a few more cases that verify that the behavior is correct for numbers divisible by 3. So for instance, fizzbuzz of 6 should still equal fizz. Fizzbuzz of 9 should equal fizz. And let's throw an oddball in there. Fizzbuzz of 99 should equal fizz. Good. And everything passes. We have 7 total assertions. The next category, for multiples of 5, it should return buzz. You're probably getting the idea here. So fizzbuzz of 5 should equal buzz. This will fail. Yeah, because we get 5 out. It's not divisible by 3. Let's add one more if statement. Checks for divisibility by 5 and returns buzz. All the tests should pass. We could add a few more cases. Fizzbuzz of 10, maybe 20. That's great. Those should all equal buzz. Now finally, for multiples of both 3 and 5, so fizzbuzz of 15 should equal fizzbuzz. There are lots of ways we could do this, but we're just going to add one more if statement at the beginning that says if the number mod 3 equal to 0 and number mod 5 equal to 0, return fizzbuzz. And everything should pass now. We could add some more test cases to further prove this, but you get the idea of how this tool works. We hope you enjoy using it. There are lots more features that we've packed into the GoConvey DSL, as well as the UI that you see on the left. But we'll talk about those in a later video. Thanks for watching.